Okay, you're welcome back. We are given this problem. It's a logarithm problem, and it says that given that log x to base a is equals to 1 over alpha, log x to base b is equals to 1 over beta, and log x to base c is equals to 1 over gamma. Find the log of x to base of ABC. So let's see how to go about solving this type of questions. Let's see how we start. So we have been given these parameters 1, 2, and 3. So I want to start solving them. So the first thing is to convert each one of them to log to index form. So this will now be x is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over alpha. So that's an index form that we are converting it back to indices. So that's for that. So now remember we are looking, the question says that we should find log x to base a, b, c. So we need to get a, we need to get the value for a, b, and c, and that's what we're going to do now. So now we have gotten our x is equals to a raised to the power of 1 over alpha. So we need to get our a. So to get our a, we need to multiply both sides, raise both sides to the power of alpha. So we have x raised to the power of alpha. Just see what I'm doing. A raised to the power of 1 over alpha. So, why? So by the time I do that, this alpha will go away. What we are left with, this alpha, by the time you multiply both of them together, 1 over alpha times alpha will just give you a. So that way you have been able to get your a. Your a is equals to x raised to the power of alpha. So that's that. Let's call this one. So we move to the next one. Let's convert this to index form also. X is equals to b raised to the power of 1 over beta. So what we need to get our b, we need to multiply both powers by beta. So both sides by the power of beta. So alpha x raised to the power of beta is equals to b 1 over beta. So with this 1 over beta times beta, it will cancel out. It will just be beta. It will just be b is equals to x to the power of beta. So that's that. We have gotten, let's call this 2. So we have gotten our a also. Don't forget that. So our a, we have termed it 1. So just want you to see the whole process. Now we move to the last one. So let's express it in terms of index and index form. So we have c x alpha x is equals to c raised to the power of 1 over gamma. So to get our c, we multiply both sides by the power of gamma. So we have x raised to the power of gamma is equals to c 1 over gamma. So we have that. So that will be c will be equals to x raised to the power of 4. So we have that. So we have gotten the three values that we need to solve this. We have gotten our A, our B, and our C. So let's copy them out so that it is easier for us to bring these values out for us. So we've gotten our A. Our A is this. Our B, let me put comma here. Our B our C. This is our C. I'm doing this so that now we are asked to find log x to base ABC. Log x to base ABC. So let's multiply all of them ABC together. So A B C. That would be equals to x raised to the power of A times x raised to the power of, this is alpha, sorry, this is alpha. This alpha raised to the power of beta, then x raised to the power of gamma. So since the base is the same, we can add the powers together. The base is the same. We can add the powers together. So that would be alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we have that. Now we can now convert to log form, to logarithm form, to logarithm form. So we are going to convert this to logarithm form. So what it will be equal to log x to ABC to equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma. So that is that. But this one what we are asked to find. We are asked to find log x to base of ABC. So that's what we are asked to find. So there is a law, and then that law is the law of changing of bases. Law of change of base. So in that law, it says that log A B is the same thing as 1 over log B A. So this is what this law says. So what this man means is that I can rewrite this. I can rewrite this man as equal to 1 over log A B C. That is what it means. That is what this statement means. So from here now, take note that this man is the same thing as this. So I can write it's still same thing as alpha plus beta plus gamma. So I can write this as this, but what we are asked to find is log x to base ABC. So we are going to do that now. So now we have this. So all we need to do just to find the reciprocal. So we can say log, but or multiply. Just use scissors rule. Take this man up and bring that one down. So you have that. So you have your final answer. So you have log x ABC equals to 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta plus 1 over gamma. So this will be our final answer for this question. So this is our final answer for this question. So please go over the questions again, try and work them and see. So this is the problem, this is the solution. So I've taken my time to solve them step by step so that you will get the whole concept. So Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please and please. So share our videos and like it. Thank you for watching again. Thank you.